All right, guys, and there has been a change with the Ford Edge. Not too much has happened. The Ford Edge went to service, got an oil change. The hood lifters got fixed, so they are new. And I tried a little bit to get those scuff marks up, but the weather is cold. The first snow is arriving. The car has to be sold. I'm just, yeah, a little bit out of time and nerves to do this project. So what I'm gonna do is, what I have been doing right now is, look, took some soapy water and a rag and I washed everything down inside because there was a lot of stains and it just, yeah, it was kind of a little bit grimy stuff that needs some soapy water. So I've done that on this side, started at least. You can see the doors, washed them down, washed the interior down a little bit, washed the middle console down. Look how shiny it is. Steering wheel, I'm still not done. So that's what I'm doing, and I'll try my best to get this cleaned, and I'll take some interior detailer through it and see what it does. All the little scuff marks around, I think they'll have to stay. This car is not worth that much money. The panoramic roof has a big crack. The grill here, the bumper cover, not the grill, the bumper cover has a crack on this side to be exact. And yeah, approaching 100,000 miles from 2017 and being a Ford Edge, lug is not on your side. Let's open the hood and look at those lifters. Now the carpets, the mats inside, I washed those with the power washer and they look like brand new. So good luck. I had some luck on with that. Let's open the hood here. There you go. See, that's how it's supposed to be. Here are the new lifters. They're on. So that's good. Got those on. If you ever have a vehicle that hasn't broken, haven't fixed, it's not that expensive, and it's so much safer. By the way, I think this hood is pretty heavy, and the spot they are on is not the best, so that's why they break that easy, because I read a lot about Ford Edges that have broken hood lifters that don't work anymore. Yeah, and you can tell that I cleaned the engine bay out a little bit too, so it looks fairly decent there. Mechanically, the car is in a good shape, so not a bad car. Look at that, there's a leaf already in there again. It seems to collect leaves. That's one thing I noticed about this vehicle. It seems to collect leaves. Okay, I'll keep going with my rack and my soapy water right here, and I'll show you what it looks like after just a short while. All right, wiped it down like I said I would. See, here's the result. Now, don't let it scare you if it doesn't look good, because I let it dry. It's a spotty because it's still wet, and when it's dry, I'll take some interior detailer and I clean it off again. I think I'll vacuum the whole thing again, and whatever happens, it looks better than before. And we'll look at the before and after maybe later. See, it looks better than before, and it's a little bit dark in here. So there's some spots there that are hard to come off, and I'm not even sure what it is, to be honest. I can't think of anything what that could be. Something white on the black, like someone sat there with some lotion on hands. But is it a seat where I'm pretty sure nobody sat with lotion on their hands? So I'm not sure what's going on, but that shouldn't be of my concern right now. I just need to get it clean and then try to sell it. Like I said, it's not my vehicle. I'm not selling it for my own benefit. I'm just trying to do a good thing and helping out. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay, I'll let this dry, and it's really cold. It's in the 30s in the garage here, so it'll probably take a while till it's dry. Then once it's dry, we'll spray some detail on it and see what that does. So hang in there for the final result. Oh wait, final result will be when it's washed, when the body is washed too. So hang in for the final interior result. All right, here we are. So this here, my friends, is my other friend, a spray bottle of interior detailer, and I'm just spraying that around and I'm rubbing it in so that it looks nice and smooth. And this detailer here keeps it nice and non-shiny. I don't like the stuff that's all shiny. Speaking of shiny, look at that piano black plastic there. Do you like that? I don't like it. And here it looks like it got used more. There was an arm on it or something scratched it. It doesn't even shine anymore. So that's a material I do not like in vehicles. Yeah, what else can I tell you? You know, this is would be pretty boring to have you watch me do this. I'll just spray it on and rub it around with the rag, and I'll show you the result. This is it. The interior is done. Turn the car on. I'll take it outside in a moment. And tomorrow I'll wash the exterior. See if I can touch up some spots. Look at the interior. So the door panel looks a lot cleaner. The seats look a lot cleaner. I know the light is pretty bad here, so I noticed if you're a detailer, you need to have pretty good light. Oh wait, we can open that panoramic roof there. Let in some more light. Am I dumb that I didn't think about that? Let's see. Let's open that. How about that? How about that? Full of cracks. Whoop, there he goes. Okay, so now we can see better. Alright, so the seats are cleaner, as you can see. I didn't do anything to the headliner here. I don't know how to get that clean, and I'll just leave that. So the interior here is a lot cleaner and nicer as well. That was just cleaning with a bucket of soapy water. So that was all that I used for this, and of course the detailer that I put on it after I was done. But yeah, tomorrow it gets cleaned, the exterior gets cleaned, and I'll show you that too. And if you're interested in more about this vehicle, I'll make a review of the vehicle, and the review vehicle should follow pretty soon too, so you're welcome to watch that. And then we'll talk about what I like and what I don't like about the 2017 Ford Edge. For now, good night, and I'll see you tomorrow when the car is clean out of the car wash.